New Claude Code update is insane. Claude Code just dropped something massive. We're talking about a feature that lets AI plan out your entire project in the cloud, lets you review it like a human, and then just executes it. On top of that, Anthropic just launched Managed Agents, so you can now deploy AI agents with zero infrastructure. Dario Amodei himself says full software engineering automation could be here in 12 months. Let's break it all down right now. So Claude Code just released version 2.1.92. This isn't a small patch. This is a full shift in how AI coding agents work. Let's start with the biggest piece first. Claude Code v2.1.92 introduces a new feature called Ultraplan, currently in beta. It lets you draft complex execution plans in the cloud, review them in a web browser with inline comments, and then execute them remotely or via the command line interface. So here's what that actually means in plain terms. For Ultraplan, when you gave Claude Code a big task, it would just start doing stuff. You'd have no idea what it was planning. You couldn't review it. You couldn't edit it. You just had to trust it and hope for the best. That's a problem when you're running real workflows for your business. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, so drop something below. Let him know what you think about this one. Ultraplan addresses a common challenge in agentic AI systems, the need for transparent planning and human oversight. Separating the planning phase and providing a browser-based interface for review, developers gain greater control and understanding of the AI's intended actions before execution. So now you get a plan, you see it, you can edit it, you approve it, and it runs. That's huge. That's the difference between trusting a random contractor to build your house versus actually reviewing the blueprint first. And here's the thing, Arch Ultraplan and other remote session features now auto-create a default cloud environment instead of requiring web setup first. So it's frictionless. You just type Arch Ultraplan and it works. Ultraplan mode uses multi-agent exploration and critique to create a detailed implementation plan. So it's not just one Claude thinking through your task. It's multiple agents exploring the problem, checking each other's work, and giving you the best possible plan before a single line of code gets written. Think about what this means for building out AI automation workflows for your business. Say you want Claude Code to build an onboarding automation for the AI Profit Boardroom. Your member joins. AI sends them a welcome email, adds them to the right channels, tracks their progress, flags when they go quiet so someone can re-engage them. That's not a simple task. That's a multi-step system with a lot of moving parts. With Ultraplan, you type, build a new member onboarding automation for the AI Profit Boardroom. When someone joins, send a personalized welcome message, route them to the right resources based on their goals, and set up a 7-day check-in sequence. Claude explores your code base or your tools. It builds a full plan. You see it in the browser. You tweak it. You approve it. It runs. No more guessing what the AI is doing. No more half-built automations you have to debug for 3 hours. You're in control the whole time. And by the way, so if you want to get inside a community of people who are building automations exactly like this, the AI Profit Boardroom is the best place to scale your business with AI automation tools like Claude Code. We break down exactly how to use tools like Ultraplan to save time, get more customers, and build real systems. Link is in the comment and description. Let's talk about the second massive thing in this update. And honestly, this might be even bigger long term. Anthropic launched Claude Managed Agents in public beta, where a fully managed agent harness for running Claude as an autonomous agent with secure sandboxing, built-in tools, and server-sent event streaming. Let me break down what that actually means. Up until now, if you wanted to deploy an AI agent that could actually do things, browse the web, write and run code, interact with external services, you had to build all the infrastructure yourself. You needed sandboxing. You needed state management. You needed to build the loop that keeps the agent running. It was a serious engineering project. Claude Managed Agents gives you a fully managed infrastructure to run autonomous agents based on Claude without having to build or maintain the underlying technical layers. Anthropic handles hosting, scaling, and monitoring, saving you months of infrastructure work. So now you just focus on what the agent should do. Anthropic handles everything else. That is incredibly cheap for what you're getting. Here's the architecture that makes this work. There's a brain, hands, and session. The session is an append-only log of all interactions, maintaining the agent's state on long tasks, sometimes lasting several hours. Harness is the loop that calls Claude and routes tool calls to the relevant infrastructure. And the sandbox is the secure execution environment for code, file editing, and interactions with external services. That brain-hands session split is the key innovation here. Each part can evolve independently. You can change what the agent does without breaking how it reasons. That's how you build reliable AI systems at scale. Claude Managed Agents is currently in public beta, and all endpoints require the Managed Agents 2026-0401 beta header. The SDK sets the beta header automatically. So if you're already using the Claude SDK, you're almost ready to go right now. Now let's talk about real-world results, because this is where it gets exciting. Corey Ghanem's team delivered in actual AI costs using Claude Code. That's the kind of leverage that changes your entire business model. You're not replacing your team. You're multiplying what your team can do. Notion, Rakuten, and Sentry are already in production with Claude Managed Agents with concrete and measurable use cases. These aren't small companies experimenting in a lab. These are real companies using this in production right now. Let me show you how this connects to building AI automation for your own business. Imagine you're running a community like the AI Profit Boardroom. You want an agent that monitors your school community, identifies members who haven't posted in 2 weeks, drafts personalized re engagement messages based on each member's previous activity, and sends them automatically. With Claude Managed Agents, that's now buildable without a full engineering team. You define what the agent should do, you give it the tools it needs. Anthropic handles all the infrastructure. The agent runs, maintains its state across sessions, and keeps working even on long tasks. Code's autonomy has doubled in 3 months, from 25 to 45 minutes on the longest sessions. It's not just getting smarter, it's getting more reliable over longer and longer tasks. That's the direction everything is moving. Let's zoom out to the big picture, because this matters a lot. Rio Amade, the CEO of Anthropic, has said that full software engineering automation could arrive within 12 months. 10 years from now, 5 years from now, 12 months. When you look at what's in this update, Ultraplan doing multi-agent planning, managed agents handling full execution in the cloud, you can start to see how that happens. Gap between AI that helps you code and AI that builds systems for you is closing faster than most people realize. Here's one more thing from this update I want to flag because it's not getting as much attention, but it should. Anthropic accidentally shipped a source code file inside Claude Code v2.188 back on March 31st, which exposed the entire Claude Code code base, including unreleased features. One of those features is Kairos, a persistent cross-session assistant that maintains daily logs and has a four-phase memory consolidation system that runs when you're not using Claude Code. I called it Auto Dream. Four phases are orient, gather, consolidate, and prune. It scans recent sessions, pulls relevant patterns, compresses them into durable memory, and removes noise, all while you're not even using the tool. That means future versions of Claude Code could remember what you've been working on across sessions, across days, without you having to re-explain your entire project every time. There's also something called Buddy, a Tamagotchi-style AI pet that lives in your terminal, with 18 species and stats like debugging, patience, chaos, wisdom, and snark. That one's just fun. The point is, Anthropic is thinking about the full experience of using Claude Code, not just the raw capability. Ultraplan has officially launched, making it the first of several leaked features to ship publicly, or is coming. So what's the bottom line here? Claude Code v2.192 is not just a patch, it's a signal. Ultraplan gives you transparent, editable, multi-agent planning before execution. Managed Agents gives you a full deployment infrastructure with zero setup cost. Real companies are getting real results. And the roadmap ahead is pointing at something much bigger. People who figure out how to use these tools now, while most people are still trying to understand what the prompt is, are going to have a massive advantage. And that's exactly what we work on inside the AI Profit Boardroom. If you want to learn how to use tools like Claude Code, Ultraplan, and Managed Agents to save time, build better systems, and get more customers, the AI Profit Boardroom is the best place to do it. We go deep on the actual implementation, the real workflows, and the automation strategies that move the needle. Link is in the description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab, our free AI community. Link is in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI.